Mental discipline in trading isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. This is the core message that Mark Douglas, in the first chapter of his book, The Disciplined Trader, tries to convey. In the summer of 1982, amid the booming world of futures trading, Douglas observed a stark contrast. A handful of traders consistently outperformed others, reaping significant profits year after year. The secret to their success? A disciplined mental approach to trading. These traders prioritize self-discipline, emotional control, and adaptability over technical aspects such as new services or trading systems. Now, these aren't innate traits that traders are born with. Instead, they're skills that are acquired through a process of learning, often peppered with trial and error. Douglas himself embarked on a transformative journey, transitioning from success in the insurance industry to facing challenges and even bankruptcy in the trading world. This journey forced him to confront his own fears, insecurities, and misconceptions about trading. It shifted his perspective, leading to personal growth and a new understanding of trading. He realized that fear of losses and the desire to avoid them often lead traders to self-sabotage. This fear creates a narrow focus, blinding traders to potential market opportunities. Douglas's journey led him to an essential realization. Accepting losses without negative emotional consequences is a cornerstone of successful trading. When traders replace the fear of being wrong or losing with self-trust and the acceptance of losses, they can better concentrate on their trading plans and the market's behavior. Douglas recognized a significant gap in trading education, particularly in the realm of trading psychology. He saw the need for a structured step-by-step approach to teaching the mental skills necessary for successful trading. He believed in the power of a new thinking methodology as the secret to success. In essence, the first chapter of The Disciplined Trader establishes the critical importance of trading psychology and discipline. It sets the stage for the subsequent chapters, where Douglas delves deeper into the mental aspects of trading. The journey of a disciplined trader isn't necessarily a smooth one, but as Douglas's story shows, it's a journey well worth taking.